Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Yamaha AG175, a bike that has built its reputation over decades as a rugged, reliable, and versatile dual-sport machine. Known for its practical design and off-road capabilities, the AG175 is perfect for farmers, adventure enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a lightweight yet durable ride. And stick around until the end, because we'll reveal a surprising feature that makes this bike stand out even more. The 2026 AG175 keeps its classic Yamaha charm while adding modern refinements. At first glance, the bike's robust steel frame and compact body convey toughness and functionality. The upright handlebars, low seat height, and wide tires provide excellent control and stability for riders of all sizes. Its design isn't flashy, it's purposeful. Every element, from the reinforced fenders to the practical cargo-friendly rear rack, signals that this bike is built to endure years of use on farms, trails, and city roads alike. Powering the AG175 is a 175cc, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. Yamaha tuned it for smooth, reliable performance rather than raw speed. The engine excels in providing torque at low RPMs, perfect for climbing hills, maneuvering through tight trails, or carrying light loads. Key highlights include low maintenance, durable components, fuel-efficient operation, offering long ranges between fill-up, smooth acceleration for city streets and off-road trails, beginner-friendly power output without sacrificing fun for experienced riders, whether it's hauling gear on a farm or exploring rugged terrain. The AG175's engine is consistent and predictable. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine perfectly. Each shift is precise and responsive, making it easy to navigate tight trails or urban streets. Low gearing ensures excellent control at slower speeds, while higher gears handle light highway cruising comfortably. The clutch is smooth, forgiving, and ideal for beginners. Yet it gives experienced riders the control they expect from a Yamaha dual sport. One of the AG175's standout features is its suspension setup. With front telescopic forks and a rear dual shock system, the bike absorbs bumps, rocks, and uneven terrain with ease. The long travel suspension allows for confidence even on rough trails, while the wide tires provide stability and grip in sand, mud, and gravel. The combination of lightweight design and balanced geometry ensures agile handling, making the bike responsive yet stable. For off-road enthusiasts, this balance of comfort and control makes the AG175 an ideal companion for exploring trails without worrying about fatigue or loss of traction. The ergonomics of the AG175 are thoughtful and rider-focused. The seat is wide and cushioned for extended rides, while the upright handlebars promote a natural, comfortable posture. Standing on the foot pegs during rough terrain is effortless, giving riders excellent control. Even longer journeys, whether through fields or along dirt roads, remain comfortable and manageable, which is why this bike has long been a favorite among adventure riders and workers alike. The AG175 is not only built to last, but also built to be practical. Fuel efficiency is excellent, meaning fewer stops on long rides. Its lightweight frame and maneuverable size make it ideal for narrow trails, farm paths, and city streets. Low maintenance and durable components ensure it stays reliable over years of use, while features like a rear cargo rack add functional versatility. This bike truly shines off-road. The wide tires, long suspension travel, and low center of gravity make it stable on sand, mud, and rocky trails. Riders can confidently navigate technical terrain without overthinking balance or control. It's approachable for beginners, but rewarding for experienced off-road enthusiasts who want a bike that's predictable, durable, and fun. The 2026 Yamaha AG175 suits a wide range of riders. Beginners looking for a manageable dual-sport bike, farmers, ranchers, or workers needing a reliable utility bike, adventure enthusiasts exploring off-road trails, commuters seeking a low-cost, efficient riders wanting a low-maintenance, long-lasting companion. This versatility is a major reason the AG175 remains a popular choice worldwide. Yamaha added a few modern touches in 2026, while preserving the bike's classic appeal. LED headlight for brighter, more efficient illumination. Update instrument cluster for clear, readability. Strong frame and reinforced fenders for durability. Smooth fuel injection for consistent performance. It's a bike that blends tradition with small but meaningful modern upgrades. The 2026 Yamaha AG175 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a tool, a companion, and a reliable adventure partner. With its rugged design, durable engine, exceptional handling, and low maintenance, it's ready to tackle anything from farm duties to off-road adventures. Yamaha has preserved the essence of the AG175 while enhancing its reliability and modern usability. For anyone looking for a practical, fun, and versatile bike, the 2026 AG175 is hard to beat. Stay tuned to Zioto Advisor for more updates, in-depth reviews, and detailed motorcycle insights.